issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Polk County and central Florida until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Haines City, moving north at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Point Siena, Winter Haven, Haines City, Lake Alfred, Geneva, Davenport, Lake Hamilton, and Loudoun. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Polk, Florida,